see you, sir. Nice. Alhamdulillah. Nice to see you, sir. Pleasure to see you.
Okay, fine. I was waiting for you long time. I want to meet you because I am your fan. I watched your all videos which you uploaded daily. I watched your videos.
I apologize for inconvenience, sir. I really apologize for that.
Okay, you are great person. You know, you are very great person.
No, sir, you are great. The way you look at me, you people are great. The way you look at me, you people are great. Thank you for praising, sir. Thank you for praising. MashaAllah, you have a very beautiful beard, sir. Very beautiful beard you have.
Okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. You're praising me.
Yes,
Welcome
yes,
your
yes.
comment.
Where are you calling from, sir? Punjab?
Yeah, I'm calling you from Punjab. It's near it's Firozpur district. It's a last district of India.
Sir, would you like to introduce yourself to me, sir? I want to know who are you, sir?
Yeah, definitely. I am Gurbachan Singh. Uh, I am English teacher. I teach grammar in a school, and I am on this learning platform. I want to improve my English. That's why I always keen to search new people whom I can talk, and I can enhance my English because I think that speaking English and teaching grammar, it's a different, both are different. If you are master in grammar, it's not compulsory that you can speak in English, because speaking and teaching, that are two different methods. So I always used to teach my students in my mother tongue. You know, my mother tongue is Punjabi, and mostly the students always talk with me in Punjabi. So that's why I feel some difficulty while I try to speak with the students. Then I feel some difficulty. The words which I want to talk with them, immediately they never come in my mind. So I want to meet with you that can you suggest me how can I do this?
Well, what do I say, sir? I am feeling nervous front of you, sir. That you are a master right now. That I
No,
understand.
no, no,
Sir.
no. It doesn't
Well,
matter. It's never happened.
what do I say, sir? What do I say? I really don't have a word to say anything to, sir. But I'll tell you one thing, sir. I'll tell you one thing that
Yeah.
while you teaching your student, don't speak in your native language, sir. Start speaking with them in English language.
I always teach them in English language, but
Hmm.
they, while I ask them that you speak with me English, then they used to speak in Punjabi always, because
Okay,
they
if
have
they
no confidence.
don't allow them to. If they speak with you in native, don't allow them in. That's what you can do. Otherwise, you are not gonna learn, and they're also not gonna learn anything. We need to be habituate this language. We need to practice. Practice makes
Yeah,
man perfect, sir. I'll tell you one thing. The more you
yeah, yeah,
practice, the more you learn, and yeah, as well as your student also. That's the
yeah,
stuff. That's the stuff. That's it. No need to do anything, any other things, sir. That's simple stuff. Just keep practice it every day. Keep practice every day, at least half an hour or 1 hour, at least. That's it, sir.
yeah.
So
Okay, okay.
it's better for you to. It's better for you that you don't need to maintain a word in your mind. It will come automatically from your mouth.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
And I want to know that what your, if you don't mind, then I want to some question from you. Put some question from you.
Yes, sir. You can ask anything. You can
You
ask anything, sir. Come on.
okay? What's your qualification? but I couldn't believe. I couldn't believe on that. class, but I can't believe till I can't believe on that because I think that you are well graduate person because it's how it's
No, no,
happened.
sir.
So okay, but I can't believe, you
I
know.
work very hard for language. Yeah, I see. I understand your situation. Yeah, I
Okay.
understand your situation right now. What are you feeling toward me? But that's the reality, sir. That's the
Okay.
reality.
You
But
know,
yeah, yeah, sir. Please.
I watched your many videos. In that videos, you are talking with the native speakers very
Yeah.
well. So I can't imagine that a person who is 10th class pass and he how he will able to speak with the native speakers. And
Well, it,
one thing, maybe you have a too much confidence. You know, you have too much confidence or limited
I
confidence.
have high level confidence. I have a high level confidence.
Yeah.
Well, sir, I don't have anything to lose while talking. Do you
Yeah.
know? I don't, well, like I'm talking to you right now. If I made mistake, what are you gonna do me? You're not gonna kill me. So I don't have anything to lose. Yeah.
Uh,
So
and bro, I also want that. I also want to ask that it's a only language. If you are able to express your ideas others and others are able to understood your ideas, that means you are communicating with them. That's it. That's it. Nothing. English is nothing any subject. So why you are afraid? So that is a very tough subject, and I can't do this like math, like science. It's a very
yeah.
simple. It's a language.
First of all, no need to learn. Just enjoy the language. I'm gonna
Yeah,
tell you
yeah,
and your student. Don't learn. Just enjoy.
yeah.
Enjoy the language. Yeah, that's the funda. While you teach, you should enjoy and let them enjoy as well.
Okay. But I ask my students always, you speak whatever come in your mind. Don't afraid. Don't think that I can't speak. How I will be speak it. It's very difficult. If you think like that, then you are not able to speak a single word. But if you
Yeah,
think that it's just a language, then you easily. But my students, they are always have lack confidence. They try to speak it, but they can't. So that is the problem also.
you try to
Okay, okay.
impose them. Try to impose them on a language on it. Try to impose.
Yeah, I teach them. I tell them that how you can construct a sentence. I tell them this is the subject, this is verb, and this is object, and you try to speak on this. I teach them simple sentence. I tell them this is a like present indefinite, present continuous, and how you can, because I tell them that this is the language, and you try to speak on blackboard. While I write anything on blackboard, then I ask them, you implement this sentence, implement on yourself. If you implement this subject on yourself, then you are more confident, because you don't say that Ram is going, Mohan is going. This is the examples. You say that I am going. Implement on yourself. Then you are more confident to speak it. I teach in this way my students always.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. So you are teaching in school, or this is your private coaching class?
I, I teach in private school. Private school.
It's a private school.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And
That's great, sir. That's fantastic.
yeah, and I also give the coaching at home. At home tuition work, I teach at home tuition work to the students. Nowadays, you know that the due to the coronavirus, all schools are closed. So now I am
Hmm.
doing the tuition work at home. They are come at my home and I give them tuition work.
So what's going on? Are you enjoying at home?
No, no. I am get now I am get bored. You know, it's too much long time. So it's very difficult to stay at home long time, because I used to teach at school. So now I am feeling some difficulties. And other thing, I also want to, you are my brother, like younger brother. I want to tell you that my whole earning bread to butter, it's depend on my teaching. So
Yes,
now the
yes, sir.
school and are closed. So it's very difficult to manage the family. So these kinds of difficulties come right now.
Yes, yes, I understand, sir. I understand.
Yeah.
Inshallah, don't you worry. Everything gonna be fine.
Again, I want to ask you that you are doing a great work. You know, you are speaking with pupils, different states, different cities, and in this way, you are making them confident. You are enhancing their confidence. You know, it's your great service. What is service if we offer the money to in Gurdwara, in Mandir, in Masjid? That is only we give that money to the priest who is there, who is the person who is handling. But this is your real service. You know, this is your real service. If you do the what is the real service? Service to the humanity, and you are doing that service. So I salute you. You are very great person.
Thank you, thank you. This is thank you very much.
Yeah.
So
After this lockdown, when the lockdown is over, then I will try to meet you at your place. You know, because I am too much keen to meet you in personally.
you are cordially invited, Surat. Come on, let's do it.
Okay, okay. I will definitely come at you. I
Yes, yes.
definitely come.